Hey everyone, I had the pleasure to do business with Kemimoto. They sell products for all different types of UTVs and ATVs and bikes on Amazon. They gave me this rear view mirror for my 2019 Polaris Ranger 1000 XP. Really would like to have a rear view mirror when you're riding with friends, when you're riding on the road. I go between fields for farming and stuff. It's nice to be able to check and see if your friends are behind you or cars are coming up behind you. And this is going to be a really good product. So we're going to open it up, see how durable it is and what it includes. The packaging seems pretty nice. Inside, nice foam inserts for everything. Here is the mirror itself. It's very sturdy, ABS plastic, large viewing mirror, and the ball for the mount is very sturdy. You're not gonna bounce or hit any kind of bumps or anything, and your mirror's not gonna be, in any other position than where you set it. So we have the mirror, very durable. It's also adjustable from what it says. It fits the 2017 through 2020 Ranger series, pretty much all sizes. If you have the little tab that sticks down with 2 screws in it, it'll probably work on your machine. But you can check out on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. It comes with the Allen wrenches you'll need to install it. This is the mount bracket. It's adjustable, so you can change the height up or down. 2 mount screws, lock nuts. The mount from the mirror will go right here with the ball, with this screw. Pretty simple. 3 screws, a mirror. Doesn't seem like it's going to take very long. This product is $49.99 on Amazon. You can check it out in the description below. And I think we're going to have a real good product here. It seems very durable. Here's a copy of the instructions. Very simple. So here's the mounting bracket. The holes are threaded and they have 2 different sets of holes, so you can lower it or raise it if you would like. I'm going to leave it on the higher setting, so the mirror will actually be lower than if I put it up here. Then it'll raise it a little bit, but I want to keep it down some for now. You thread these all the way in because the holes are threaded, and then we'll put the lock nuts on the back. Loosen the lock with this, and then you can move it a little bit easier or turn it. As you can see, there's 2 flat edges, and they will lock in the hole. So it fits nice. Next, you will take the larger Allen screw and run it in and make that tight. Alright, so the screw heads go on the mirror side. So you should be, when you're looking at the mirror, you should be looking at the screw heads with the washers behind them on this side. Then it will go up to your factory bracket, and then the lock washers go on the back. So I'm going to tighten these down first. Alright, nice and snug. Then the nylon lock nuts go on the back once you fit it through. Alright, the nut is still loose, but that is the configuration. Nut on the back, to factory bracket, to mirror bracket, washer, screw head. I'm going to tighten those down. A 11/32 socket I'm using, or a 9mm, both fit the nut pretty snug, so you can get it done with either one. I couldn't tell which one was tighter. go ahead and tighten up your bracket. Nice and tight. Right now I believe it's loose, so you can adjust it to where you would like to have it for your best and safest view. And then you tighten down the lock knob on the back. Once you make that nice and snug, it's just a thumb knob. You don't need any tools. Nice and snug, and it's not going anywhere out of adjustment. You can't put a price on safety, so this is a very good product, very durable, and I'm really looking forward to using this when I'm out on the roads so I can see when vehicles are approaching from behind. Here in Pennsylvania, we are allowed to ride on a lot of the township roads as long as you have a license plate and insurance, so this will really help seeing vehicles approach behind me. Very good product by Kemimoto, and I'm looking forward to showcasing a few more of their products. Now we're going to do a quick road test and make sure that everything is where we need it to be and that it doesn't move, which I don't think it's going to move just by shaking on it. It takes a lot of force. Kemimoto rear view mirror, excellent product. I'm looking forward to using this. And check them out on Amazon, links in the description below. This is for the whole Ranger line from 2017 to 2020. They make products for a lot of other machines, razors, other brands, bikes. Check them out. A very good product for a good price. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more products from Kemimoto. Here's a view of the rear view mirror. It has a great field of view, very clear. The little bit of vibration you see is the factory mount. It's not bad at all. I can still see everything clearly, but it is not the mirror itself. It's just a piece of metal that the factory mount is moving a little bit. Very happy with this product. You can see everything behind us. Check them out.